Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vinay. I have completed BSc from Barkatullah University, Bhopal. Now I am preparing for CDS examination. I did NCC A level certificate from 4 MP Battalion, NCC Bhopal. My aim is to join Indian Air Force and to be a part of most respected force and to make my dreams come true. My hobbies are listening songs, making new friends, and I also like to visit new places. The topic of discussion is climate change. Climate change refers to the long-term shifts in the temperatures of climate or weather and long-term changes in the weather of a particular area. We can define climate change as the long-term changes or long-term weather changes in the atmosphere. We can define that as a climate change. The lots of causes behind of climate change. There are such causes such as burning fossils, burning polythenes, plastics, air pollution, and the decreasing of ozone layer, no proper awareness among the people, and there are many more causes. And there are lots of negative impacts of climate change. If the temperature is increasing or the global warming, or that may be cause the climate change may be cause of global warming, may be cause of long term temperature changes, harmful acid rains, also affecting health of citizens and human in a very bad way, very negative way. Affecting health, there are lots of health issues such as breathing problem and the gulf and many more. So to reduce the temperature of earth or to maintain the climate change position, Indian government did lots of things targeted to zero carbon emission till the end of 2070, and for it United Nations also did lots of endeavors, and our Indian government is also doing lots of endeavors to reduce or to maintain the climate change situation, awareing people through lots of campaigns, and started plastic ban or polythene ban campaigns, because someone used the polythene, then that will burn, because polythene is not reducible for long term. So our government did such things, but in the final I just want to say that we can do 5 things to maintain the climate change. Making proper awareness among the people. Government should start campaigns and aware people from state and national level, and people also support the campaign started by government. We can start campaign through the school levels, NSS, NCC, with the support of NSS, NCC and other school level or ground level units. By doing this, we can maintain the temperature of our earth and climate change. Thank you.